Lifting and moving loads, BuddytRon is here for you. Anytime, anywhere, safely and securely. All our lifting heroes face challenges, big and small, every day. Fortunately, they're not alone. Mark's nightmare, the chain suspension. That was a close call. Better safe than sorry. With BuddytRon's lifting means check. And Ben, where are the instructions and product details for this lifting point? BuddytRon's got them. Tom wants to repair a hook. Not that easy. BuddytRon shows him how. It's simple. And Fred? He knows how important safety is and wants to do everything right during the visual inspection. What else could be important here? BuddytRon has the right tips. Everything under control with BuddytRon. Peace of mind when lifting loads, even in difficult situations. And above all, more safety. For you too, BuddytRon. Many lifting tasks, one app.